Please join our online community, and you can also join our Facebook page, Tamasha Beats, to get to know more about some of the fantastic initiatives that we were going to have this year. Put your hands together for our opening act, backed by a live band, the one, the only, Tamasha Beats!
Tamasha Beats is an all-male a cappella band. We are majorly a vocal band, but tonight we'll be backed by a live band, okay? Hey, baby, hey, 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 beautiful girl. Come on, you kiss me, man. Before I'm going, come on, you kiss me, man. Before I'm going, don't you kiss me nice. Come along, come along. Hello my baby, hello my baby, hello my baby, hello my baby, hello my baby. Nifikiria popo, silisi sura yangu ya tabasamu, roho hainuni, ahoko, oh mwana meru, oh mwana kwenye shipenzi, oh mwana shindutuzwa, oh mwana sweke, oh mwana yenide, ahoko.
One these guys up. Now, she is beautiful, she's talented, and she is the only madam in the bar. Give it up for Tindi on the bass. Bring it up. Turn it. Yeah. Wapi makofi. Yeah, right. Yeah. Well, the next person, they usually call the geniuses of the music, of the band. It is the guy up there. This is the guy who's playing the keys. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chuck and the keys. Bring it. Yes, sir. All right. On the lead guitar, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on the rhythm guitar is a guy from Central Kenya. The ladies man, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Kimani on the rhythm guitar. Yes, sir. On the lead guitar, another ladies man. The guy is from Faimba. Hey. On the lead guitar, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Josh. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the blackest man from Black Africa, the new blackest man from Black Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, on the drums, give it up for Oliviera. Hey! Chop, 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 whoa! Tinga, tinga,
See
Thank you very much. You've been a very wonderful audience until this time.
Put your hands together for the amazing Tamasha Beach.